Hi everyone and welcome today to the GWM Tank 300. And just from looking at it, you know it's a proper off-roading SUV. I mean, it does look a little bit like a Jeep Wrangler. It has a chunky body, it has chunky front bumpers, chunky side wheel arches, and it just exudes off-road cool. But apart from it just looking like an off-roading SUV, it actually has all the things you really want in a proper off-roading SUV. These include things like a proper tough ladder chassis, fantastic approach, departure and breakover angles. It also has chunky 18-inch wheels with off-roady tires. Now apart from that, the tank also naturally comes with a selection of off-road modes, but separating itself from the rest of the SUVs in its class is this 4L, meaning that the tank actually has a low-range transfer case. The tank also comes with front and rear diff locks, which are virtually unheard of in this class of car, apart from pickup trucks, certain pickup trucks. GWM also added crawl control assist, which is in essence off-road cruise control, and something called tank turn assist, which brakes one rear wheel to help make those tight turns off-road a little bit easier, which actually sees for this off-roading SUV be quite good off-road, as you can see here.